Hospitality, medical, and transportation providers face a unique challenge when it comes to maintaining cleaning standards across their facilities. With space at a premium in certain geographical locations, these industries often have to find creative space-saving solutions for cleaning chemical dispensing systems. Chemical distribution centers are usually located away from the actual dishwashing or laundry equipment, and the transportation of harsh cleaning solutions requires high pressure. Transfer tubing must be chemically resistant and withstand the high pressure required for transportation. Tygon 2375 CIB is engineered with a layer of polyester braiding, increasing its working pressure significantly. The tubing's 3-layer design helps prevent kinking, which can interrupt the flow of cleaning chemical transfer, while maintaining flexibility. Tygon 2375 CIB offers superior performance and is unaffected by acids, bases, ketones, salts, and alcohols. Maintain the performance of your cleaning chemical distribution systems with Tygon.